Hi, it's me, Carrie B. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I go live and release new videos. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to take you through my concept for recreating something that Picasso did a lot better, but you can have fun doing it at home. All you need is the Altogether stamp set and whatever flower elements, botanical elements that you have on hand, and you can make a really cute stamped bouquet for a friend that you can put on a card or just send as is. Come along with me and I'll show you how. For our first example, I'm going to stay with the color palette that Pablo Picasso used in his iconic artwork, Bouquet of Peace from 1958. You'll see here we start with hands from the Here Together stamp set, which was in the All Together bundle. And we're just going to build out the background flowers first using various greens. And there's nothing very complex about this process. It's really very freeform. Whatever you want to put first, trying to keep it look even, or you want to make it look messy, it doesn't really matter. It's all about just staying loose, having some fun with the stamping, and building it out using the stamps as paint brushes. Obviously, lighter colors do better around the edges. If you try to stamp a lighter color over a darker color, it's going to get kind of muddy. So really the only advice I would suggest to somebody doing this project is to try to keep the light colors on the outside if you've started with a dark color, or start with light colors and then work dark as you go. Finishing up with some rich raspberry here, which is kind of a purple color. And there's the Picasso palette. As you can see, this process moves along really quickly and you can create a lot of artwork in a short amount of time. So if you have a lot of cards to create, this could be a winning technique for you. This time I'm starting with the colors instead of the stems to build out sort of the shape of the bouquet that I want, and then stamping around the flowers. These greens are garden green and granny apple green, and they both work great for this project. The best part about this project is no two compositions will be alike. Everybody's stamp stash and stamp pad stashes are different, and you can expect to see a variety. Even if 2 or 3 people stamp the same project, it's going to be an amazing array of differences in projects. Here I'm using a Stampin' Write marker to create stems and just sort of outline some of the flowers that I like. But you could easily use a corresponding Stampin' Blends alcohol marker, since the colors are virtually seamless between the ink pads and the alcohol markers to achieve the same effect. Something I forgot to do on my project was to sign it. Definitely pull a Picasso on this one and sign the corner, maybe put the year, just to really bring that style home. I hope you've enjoyed this little presentation of mine, and if you'd like to stay in touch, follow me on Instagram. You can also follow the link in the description for the shopping list and for other ways to get in touch with me. And I hope you will. I like to see what you're doing, so please tag me and share what you've been doing. See you next time.